Charles Bell, BS in Electrical Engineering from USC in '85. For the last 5 or 6 years, I did independent film producing and television producing, as well as event marketing for the entertainment industry. Last August, things kind of changed, and for the next 9 to 12 months, I'm focusing kind of solely my efforts on the hashtag Auto Erase campaign. There was an incident where I was wrongfully arrested last year for mistaken identity, and even though they released me as completely innocent, I still ended up with an arrest record. So what hashtag Auto Erase says that, hey, we understand that mistakes were made by law enforcement. However, the burden should not be on the innocent individual to have to take care of that mistake. It started off through social media. I did a post, and that was going to be the end of it. I had closed myself off from the world. I wasn't taking any calls because I was just in this state still of disbelief. And I got up the next morning, 24 hours later, and it had been shared 3,000 times. 4 or 5 days later, it had 40,000 shares, 10,000 comments, 35,000 likes, and that's when the media started trying to reach out to me.
He was mistakenly arrested for a crime he did not commit.
As opposed to assuming me to be innocent, I was assumed to be guilty. The innocent citizen who hasn't done anything feels violated. They feel like, why are you stopping me? Why are you targeting me?
You were arrested falsely, accused of robbing a bank by the Beverly Hills Police Department. Tell us about that.
Even after I did that media, I thought that, it was all over. A week later, I felt things were getting back to normal. Then I found out I had this arrest record. I reached back out to social media again. Social media did a plea on the local law enforcement agency that arrested me. They brought me in, took care of my particular arrest record, but I started thinking that if this has happened to me, it has to be happening to a lot of folks. And I felt that I owed the public something, because if it wasn't for folks texting in and calling in and emailing, I would have never got that call to take care of my situation. I reached out to the State Attorney General's office for California. They found out that when a law enforcement agency wrongfully arrests someone and process that person, all they have to do is send an official bulletin. So the Department of Justice for California will take care of erasing that record both locally, state-wise, and making sure that it's out of the federal database. It's not just a black male cause. It's not just a person of color cause. It is truly a cause that affects everyone. Anyone can be wrongfully arrested for mistaken identity, and anyone can end up with an arrest record when they shouldn't have one.